Hi there and welcome. My name is Dave Tromp, and in this video I will have a look at the cryptocurrency wallet named Coinomi, and let's have a look at all the features, and I'll tell you what I think of it. So let's first have a look at the website. If I can get myself out of the way, well, let's just do it like this. So the website is at coinomi.org, and this is what you get. So Coinomi is like the Atomic wallet, on which I did a video before, which I will link in the description for you to have a look at. And it's the same kind of wallet, meaning that it's a multi-currency wallet, meaning you can not only hold Bitcoin in it, but also Litecoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. And it has some other features as well. So let's go through the website and let's discover this together. So they have a whole list of features mentioned here. Most importantly is the multi-chain options, so you can have many different cryptocurrencies on it. They also do some cold staking. They have Wallet Connect, meaning you can connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange that supports Wallet Connect, and many other things that I will have a look at when we open the application. It's also a cross-platform application, so it can work on Windows, Mac, Linux, and on mobile devices. And same as the Atomic wallet, you can have or they will give you a mnemonic phrase, meaning you get a 12, or in this case you can get an 18 or 24 word phrase, which you can use to restore your wallets. So let's have a look at the let's first see the downloads, what's available. So there's the Google Play version, the Apple Store version, Windows, Mac, and I'm currently use the Coinomi wallet for Linux, which you can download. It will download a tar file which you can unzip, and it will give you an app image. So there's no Debian file available. The implementation is in Java, and on my computer this usually means that my computer will start to spin up the processors pretty heavily. So this is what you see if you open up the Coinomi app on the desktop. You can restore your wallet, and then you can give a phrase that you've received before when you set up the wallet. You can also use a BIP39 passphrase, which is a little bit different. So if you have that, you can also use this with Coinomi. My experience with using the same seed in different wallets is not too good. Usually you get that not all the coins are synced in the different wallets. So if you have a 12-word passphrase from Coinomi and you put it in, let's say, Atomic wallet, this usually does not work, not for all the coins, and the other way around, it's the same. So the implementations are not really standardized yet. So always make sure that if you have a seed phrase from Coinomi, then only use it with Coinomi, and make sure that if Coinomi for some reason gets phased out, that you before the software is not available anymore, that you move your coins to somewhere else. Same goes for the Atomic wallet or any other wallet that uses these 12-word or 18-word or 24 words passphrases. So that's just a side note on that. Let's create a wallet. So if I click create wallet, I get I believe this is 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, probably 24 words. So that's very strong encryption. And let's click next. So I'm going to skip the confirmation. If we go back here, best thing to do is to copy this down with a pen and paper, then click next, and then verify that you've written it down correctly. I'm not going to do this now for the speed of this video, so I'm going to skip. I'm going to set a password. Just make it a simple password for now. Of course, it's not accepted, so let's do a more complicated password. Okay, next. Let's select some coins, or let's have a look at the coins. We have Bitcoin, Algorand, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Binance Coin, and Callisto, Dash. And you can filter as well. Let's say we want to have Litecoin, and we want to add Ethereum. Okay, let's go next. And we have to accept the legal disclaimer. And there you have it. We have an empty wallet with our coins that we've just selected. And let's have a look at the features. So you can have more than one wallet, excuse me. So if you click here and you go to manage wallet, you can create another wallet, so you can have multiple wallets. That's pretty nice. That's not available on a wallet like Atomic Wallet, for instance. You can select your currency, so it's defaults to use dollar, but we can also choose euro, for instance. And let's go back to the overview. So if we go here to the wallets, we can receive using a QR code or just an address, and we can send. And also there used to be an option to buy, but it's grayed out now, so I'm thinking they will be re-implementing this in future, but for now it's not possible to buy directly from the Coinomi wallet. They used to have an implementation same as Atomic Wallet, so using the Simplex service. And they do have an exchange, so they have Changely as an exchange, and for this exchange you do not have to log in, and you can just exchange your cryptocurrencies for one another. Also note that there's a little bit of an upcharge if you compare the rates that you get here with, for instance, a normal exchange. It's about 2.5% more, but it saves you moving your coins to an exchange and from an exchange. So it's again for the convenience. For Shapeshift, you can use this service as well, but then you need to log into your Shapeshift account, so you need to create a Shapeshift account. If you do not want to do this, then you can just use Changely. Okay, so if we want to add assets, we can click Add Assets. We can add a coin or tokens. So we get the same selection again. So let's say we want to add Algorand. We'll add it. We have to type our password again. And then here you can see it's been added to the wallet. So for the coin, it's the same. You can choose for Binance Coin, Ethereum, NEM, OmniLayer, or Tron. Binance Coin, if you select here, there's no coins available, so that needs to be implemented still, I think. So NEM, if we add this, also empty. Tron, I believe that's also empty. Yeah. So an OmniLayer, we have, I believe, USDT. Yeah, so Tether, USD, we can add this. Okay, And of course you can send any Ethereum token to your Ethereum address, and then it will be added here. And also you can just do add token and then select your token that's already here. So let's say we want to do DAI stablecoin. It's been added here, so we can get an address and send it over there. And also we can use this when exchanging. So if we want to do exchange, let's see, change, is it available? We want to exchange Bitcoin to DAI. Yes, it's available. So we can exchange our Bitcoins to the DAI stablecoin. Also a nice feature, you can switch between a light mode and a dark mode. So if you're using the wallet at night, it's nice to switch it to a dark mode. What else? Settings. We've looked at this already. You can set it to Euro, English, or let's see what other languages we have: Spanish, Romanian, etc. If we click Manage Wallets, that's the same here. Okay, so what else I can say? I think, oh, and there's an address book, so you can add your the addresses that you use a lot to it, and I guess that's about it. Nothing fancy, nothing much more to tell about it. Oh yes, there's one thing that is not available on the desktop that is available on the mobile wallet, and that's staking. So I hope, so as you saw on the other video about the Atomic wallet, you can stake coins using the Atomic wallet, and this is not fully implemented yet at Coinomi. But if we look at the website and we go to the support page, I looked it up, staking. So of course you can stake all the Ethereum tokens just by holding them if they are staked through contract functions. That's independent of any wallet. And then they have an implementation for the Callisto wallet for cold staking. And of course Smart Cash, if you hold it in one address, 1,000 Smart Cash coins, you also get a reward. That's also independent of the wallet. Let's look up Smart Cash in the Coinomi wallet. So let's see if we can add it and see if it's available. I believe it's not available on the Atomic wallet, but I believe it is available here. Yes, okay, Smart Cash is available. So there you go. If you send to this address 1,000 coins or more, you will receive a reward. I believe it's about 4% a year. So that's always nice. Another thing that's available on Coinomi, which is not available on the Atomic wallet, is Monero, so XMR. So you can just add the Monero wallet like so, and then you can receive and send your wallets. Of course, or there are no privacy features implemented in a wallet, but at least you can hold them here and you can send them out, which is not possible with a wallet like Atomic Wallet or many other wallets. So that's, I think it's pretty neat that they have the option here to hold your Monero as well. I think that's it. Maybe I can show you on my phone. So I have to put myself in the picture again. How they have implemented staking for instance, Callisto. So if I open up my phone here, so you can see this is similar or the same wallet, but then on the phone. And then if I open up Callisto here, so you can see I have 0 Callisto, yes. And then if I press the plus button, then I will get a menu which will look like this. And as you can see, they've implemented a debt browser, and there's a gold staking option there. So if I click on the gold stake, then I can add, or I can fill in the amount that I want to stake, and then I can start staking Callisto coins. So that's what they've implemented so far. Hopefully they will also implement the Tezos coin. That will be really nice. And yeah, that's it. I hope you like this review. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.